Hello again everybody, just going to show you a video here now of taking apart my 2006 Suzuki DF225. Acquired this engine a couple of years ago when I bought the boat. Didn't come with the boat, but bought this engine separate and with a blown head gasket. So I'll show you some clips and videos here now of disassembling the engine. See here, the V6 block has one cylinder head removed, and I think that was the side that had the blown head gasket, but we're going to remove both. Here you can see the cylinder head upside down to expose the combustion chamber. The engine was in pretty good shape. There is a bit of corrosion and rust showing there on the valves. I think it's just from the salt water intrusion, and the head gasket failed. Here's a close-up of the valves and the combustion chamber. There's a little bit of carbon and rust, but you'll see it cleans up quite well when we get it reconditioned. This is the part on the cylinder head gasket surface where the corrosion happened and the gasket failed. We were able to clean this down to an acceptable level. Here's another close-up of the damage to the gasket surface. Doesn't look very good there, but it did clean up very well. Here's another look at the cylinder head gasket surface. You can actually see, they look really close. There was actually some heat cracking and damage there, but it's all planed down to a clean surface for the gasket to seal on. And here you can see the cylinder wall is quite corroded and rusted there. Before I took the piston out, we managed to hone these cylinders and check them for out of round. They were all at an acceptable level once we got it cleaned up. And here you can see I had the lower cradle removed with the main caps to access the crankshaft, remove the pistons and connecting rods. Here you can see the cradle inside is very clean, so I think this engine was well looked after and definitely worth rebuilding. You can even see the main bearings look in really good condition. took all these and mic'd them and checked them that they were all within Suzuki spec. Here you can see I have all the pistons removed now, and one piston is soaking here. I had to soak all the pistons in carbon combustion chamber cleaner to try and help and aid to remove the piston rings that were stuck in the lens from carbon and corrosion. They all did come out. There was one piston I think I had to replace. Here you can see the piston rings came out in pieces. I did replace them all with new genuine Suzuki piston ring sets. Here's the piston that was in question. Took quite a bit of digging to dig out the piston ring, so I replaced this piston. You can see the grooves around the lens there and the corrosion. All the other pistons were within acceptable tolerance to reuse. Thank you for watching my video. If you'd like to comment, comments below, please feel free to do so. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos and the progress of my engine rebuild. Thank you for watching.